Welcome back to Ctube's channel. Today we introduce Adaptable Box, one of the important electrical boxes in electrical installation. Adaptable boxes help to organize and protect wiring from damage. They also made it easier for electrical engineers to carry out maintenance and inspections. Adaptable boxes are versatile. They are also used to extend or modify existing electrical circuits. Adaptable boxes are usually mounted on walls or other surface and fitted with the appropriate cover to securely enclose the connections. These boxes sometimes come with multiple knockouts or entrance points. The number and the sizes of openings around the box are usually designed to suit different needs and accommodate various conduit sizes. They are made from materials like PVC or metal, depending on the application and require durability. PVC adaptable boxes, which are lightweight and resistant to corrosion. Ctube's PVC adaptable boxes are compliant with relevant standards such as AS/NZS 2053. They feature a special design to facilitate installation, waterproof and UV protection, a V0 fire rating, and can operate in temperatures from -40 to 110 degrees Celsius. Sizes range from 85mm to 300mm. Standard color are gray, also provide black and white. We also accept customization. That's all we share today. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website.